I'm going to give you 100 online arbitrage sourcing websites which you can use for your Amazon FBA business for free. And we'll also be talking to you about some of our favorite ones, so let's get into the video. So at the end of this video, we're going to tell you how you can get access to these 100 websites which you can use for your FBA sourcing. This list you'll be able to download for free so you can view it when you need it, even if you're not ready to start Amazon FBA yet. So don't turn this video off, as it may be a game changer for your Amazon FBA business. Now, before we do get into the interesting bit, you're probably wondering, who actually are we? Well, we're Profitl. We're an Amazon FBA software. We have a DealFinder side as well as an analyzer side, but because of our DealFinder side, where we help people find arbitrage deals, we know a lot of websites to source arbitrage deals from. So if you were interested in joining, we do have an exclusive discount code for YouTube viewers. We'll make it pop up just here, but you'll also find it down below in the description. So make sure to take that down if you were interested in starting a Profitl subscription. You're probably wondering why we're giving away this list for free. And the reason for that is because we're here to help as many FBA sellers as possible, specifically with sourcing their products. When you first start Amazon, finding your deals is going to be by far the hardest part of your journey. Where should you be looking? What should you be looking for? These are all questions you're going to be asking yourself, and it can be very difficult to know what are some great websites. And sometimes they may be obvious, but there's loads and loads of really obscure websites which are great for online arbitrage on Amazon FBA. So before we get to how you can actually download this list of sourcing websites, we thought we'd tell you a couple of our favorites and actually show you some deals which are live right now which you could potentially buy. A quick disclaimer, we probably recommend don't buy these deals. We find a lot of these deals from our DealFinder or from our deal of the day, and of course it's going out to all of our YouTube viewers as well. So they do get seen by a lot of people, which can mean they do become more saturated than your standard deal. Please just use these deals as inspiration. You can see the websites we're talking about and see the types of deals we might be looking for our Amazon business. But first up, we have one of our absolute favorite websites, and that is Nettino. And you may not have actually heard of Nettino. I certainly hadn't until I started Amazon FBA, and Nettino is a beauty website, but here in the UK it's amazing for Amazon FBA. They have such great deals on their website. So let me show you an actual product which is live right now, and it's this facial spray which we can buy for £3.69. Now if we head over to Amazon, we can see it sells for £9.39, so we're buying it for £3.69 and selling it for £9.39. Now I'll just quickly show you some of the actual analysis data on the Profitl Chrome extension. So we use the Profitl Chrome extension to analyze the deal. Of course, there's a lot more which goes into it than just buying it for less than what we're selling it for on Amazon. We need to know, is it selling? Is it profitable? How much competition do we have? Is the price high now? Is it low now? Are we gated? And this is what we use Profitl for, to understand all of this data. So we can see that it's selling up to 114 units a month, so decent sales. And after our fees, it's going to be making us 74% return on investment, so £2.72 profit per unit. 6 other FBA sellers on this listing, and a Profitl ranking of 80 out of 100. So not a bad potential deal overall. Now, of course, if we're actually buying this detail, we'd go into a lot more detail than I've just showed you there. We'd look at things like the price graph, how much stock our competition has, but that is purely the basics of analyzing an FBA deal. So as mentioned, Nettino, one of our very favorite websites and a great website to use for your FBA sourcing. Now, not long till we get to the list of 100 websites. Before we do that, we just wanted to show you one more deal from an online arbitrage site which we absolutely love, and this one is Sports Direct. So of course, not just a website, also has a retail store as well, but most of their best deals are going to be online. They don't actually sell a lot of these products in store. So an example of a deal from Sports Direct is this Hasbro Chewy, which we can buy this for £3, and it sells on Amazon for £11.95, so almost triple the price. So you know straight away it's going to be a good profit, and it is 151% return on investment, £4.54 profit per unit, so loads of wiggle room if that price does drop. We've got lots of flexibility with this price. Not bad sales overall, 87 sales a month, or up to 87 sales a month. And look, only 3 other FBA sellers, and between them they only have 7 in stock, so these should be sold out very, very quickly. So you've got a great chance of jumping on the buy box on this product. So those are the sort of deals you're going to be able to find on this list of 100 websites. Now, before you do get this list, please don't think finding and sorting Deals is going to be easy. As I mentioned before, it's really tough, and it is a skill which does take time to master, but as with anything, the more time you can spend doing it, the easier it does become. Now by now you're probably wondering, how do you get this list? And thank you so much for being so patient. We hope you've taken some value from this video. Now all you need to do to get this list of 100 sourcing sites is head down below to the description. You're going to find a link. All you need to do is enter your email for where you want this list to be sent to, and you'll automatically get sent this list of 100 sourcing websites, all for online arbitrage websites here in the UK. Now we hope you found these helpful. If you do find any deals from any of these sites, please let us know in the comments. We love seeing your success stories when it comes to sourcing your deals. But that is all for today's video. We thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoy the list. We post out Amazon FBA videos every single Thursday, so please do hit that subscribe button. But that's all for now. We'll see you in the next one.